Hi guys, and welcome back to RC Workshop. So today just going to show you through the Sanwa mt-44 2.4 radio. This is a really nice piece of kit. I thought as I was racing I'm going to treat myself and get myself a nice racing radio. Yes, I'll just tell you how I found it so far and go through a few of the features and show you around it. Let's say best radio I've used by far. I've had a fair few Spectrums in the past and things like that, but this is a really nice gadget for your box. It's not cheap and neither are the receivers, but like I said, I just wanted to treat myself for it. Sorry about the beeping. That is a low battery warning on there because I've used it for a couple of races and I've still not ordered a LiPo battery to run it. So I'm still running at the moment on my 3 AAAs that it comes with. So yeah, just to show you that's your top main menu as you're using it. It is a backlit screen as well, which we'll come back to. So nice pistol grip radio. Comes with 3 rubber grips in the box to fit your hand, just depending on what hand size you are. Micro SD port. It's got a 20 model memory, but if you want to save your model memories onto the SD card, you can. So if you want more models on there, you can also do that. As well as that, you can take data off there, racing data that if you say you've just raced, you can actually take the data away and analyze it on the computer if you want to go that far. This on the top isn't the aerial, it's just a handle for carrying it, which is quite quirky. I thought it was an aerial, but it's not. You've also got the hole for the lanyard as well if you want to hold it around your neck so you don't drop it, which you ain't going to want to drop it, trust me. You've got all your trims around the wheel. Wheel feels really nice and responsive as well, especially when you use it, it feels nice. It's got the foam around the edge as well. Dark chrome, really nice. So into the menus, if my battery don't die on me. You got custom settings, so again, for all your dual rates and everything else. Settings, again, dual rates on your steering, exponentials and all the rest of it. Throttle functions, auxiliary, what you want to do on your auxiliary channels. You got your lap timer and everything else, which starts when you press the throttle on the grip. And then you've got your telemetry, which again is all your data logs, graphs and all the rest of it in telemetry switches. You do need to get all the telemetry modules to put on your car to measure temperature, speed, RPM and battery voltage if you want them on there live. Then you've got your model memory, so you select your select model, select what cars you want, add models to it as well, and you've got your system settings. So you can assign different keys for different functions. Your trim number 2 doesn't necessarily just have to be your throttle trim, it can be whatever you want. So you can set that on there as well. You've also got on there as well, like I say, your data. So when you steer, it says how far and much I'm steering, which is just coming up on the screen now. And then you've got your throttle as well on there, and your reverse. And like I say, you can analyse that data and see if you're using it the same every time. If you're not, then you want to change a few settings on your car and things like that. As well as that, you got time, date, temperature, what it is right now, 12 degrees. And then you've got, again, back to your telemetry. You've got all your voltage, your lap times, your motor, your motor is. It's a brilliant piece of kit. I really do love it. Like I say, I've got to do that battery upgrade though, because 3 AAAs in this do not last long. Like I say, there you go, look, another battery warning. The good thing is it's a short battery warning. It could just keep beeping at you until you change the batteries. I don't know why radios do that, because surely it's using energy while it's beeping. It's got a nice little set of lights on there as well. Really nice piece of kit, guys. Like I say, if you want to know more information on this, I ain't really clued up on it, to be honest. I've got the manuals, I've tried reading them. I'm just using it at the moment, trying to get used to it. If you've got any tips for me, drop some comments in the comment section below, and I appreciate that. So I've currently got in the Charisma GTB behind there the aerial-less servo, which is nice. Not having a little aerial, there it is. It's just got it built in like a little mast inside. Really nice piece of kit. And like I say, very responsive radio, very quick, nice piece of kit to have at the races. And as well as that, you can utilise them even if you're not racing. You can use it for your best models. For example, I've got a receiver in my Axial Yeti XL that I use with this all the time. Yeah, so anyway guys, So I'd appreciate any tips in the comment section below. Please rate, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later, guys. Peace out. Ta.